welcome to this beautiful Airbnb here in Melbourne, Florida. Today I am going to be unboxing Japan candy box here from this beautiful Airbnb, and we're gonna see what all is inside. So here's this awesome box from Japan Candy Box. And you can get this box for as low as $24.99 a month. And you'll get 10 items inside each box. The treats do come from Tokyo, Japan. So let's check out what all is inside. So excited. I love Japanese snacks and candies. So this is what this looks like right now. It comes with a little, looks like it's a little booklet. Okay, so this little booklet tells me everything that's inside of the box. Very cute. And that's what that looks like. Alright, so let's get into this. So the first thing that I see here is a ramen seed fried gummy. And I'm going to just take everything out before I even try anything. So we're going to take each item out. And this one here is a palette gummies. That is so cute. Love that. This one is the chocolate gatsu cookie. It's matcha. I love anything that's matcha. And in here, we have, it looks like it's milk tea biscuit sticks. Then we have the chip star. This is it's a burger snack stick. That's why you have the little burger face there. That's very cool. This one, Haichu. I'm very familiar with Haichu. Usually when I go into Asian markets, you'll see a lot of Haichu. This one's mango flavor. Then we have this little guy. And this one is a Sanrio Kit Kat Strawberry Milk Mini Bar. Yeah, and that makes sense. I see the Kit Kat logo. I do see the Sanrio logo, and the strawberry logo there. Then we have this one's a Fun Candy Mega Sushi Gummy. That's pretty cool. I love gummies. I love that there's so many gummies in this box. And then I see here, it's supposed to be a surprise mystery item because I do not see it on here at all. I just see the one that says surprise. So this one looks like it's strawberry and chocolate. I really don't know what it is, but I'll give this one a try. Alright, so that's it for the box. We have all these goods right here. I'm going to move these right here so we can see them. A lot of goods. So I don't know which one I'm going to try as of yet. So I'm going to try, give all these a little try here. See if you can see everything that I got in this box. A lot of yummy treats. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 awesome treats so far. I just need to try them. So let's give this one a try. This is the mystery item. And you know, from the looks of it, it looks like it's peach and strawberry. And I like everything that's strawberry and peach, so. Ooh, look at that. Okay. So So let's give this mystery a try. Never open wrappers. This is why I like to do these. Open the wrappers away from the camera because I'm always struggling with these. Okay, so it looks like it might have melted. I did bring this over from Orlando. Right now I am on a trip. That's why I'm staying in an Airbnb. But overall it still looks good. So this one looks like it's the peach one. Oh, that is good. It's like a different type of texture here. I couldn't tell you what it is, but I'm definitely going to look it up. And I'll post it in the captions below. Because that's really good. Like, you can taste the peach in the one that I tried. And there's definitely chocolate in there. But it's a very different consistency. It's very nice. Alright, so let's try something else. And I'm not gonna try all of them on camera, just because I like keeping my videos short. And I mean, if any of you have any questions, you can just post them in the captions below. So I love Kit Kat. I'm not gonna give this one a try just yet. I want to give something a try that I haven't tried before. This one looks fun. So I'm gonna give this one a try. This is supposed to be a palette gummy. So it says here, feel like an artist when you color your tongue with this gummy candy. So apparently this is gonna color my tongue. Let's try it out. Opening. Always have trouble with packages. Alright, so this one's blue. So my tongue is supposed to look blue after this. Oh, it tastes good. Alright, let's see. It is blue. So this is definitely a fun one. This is something that you'll want to share with friends. And of course, if you have kids, the kids will love this one as well. So I see that there's like a red one. If I do red and blue, it's probably gonna come out purple. Let's try it. Not so much. Oh, kinda. It still looks blue to me. But yeah, that's a pretty cool one. I like this one. This is definitely a fun one. Okay, so my next one. I don't know which one I want to try. This one? Should I try this one? It's a sushi gummy, so I'm thinking it's gummy. So let's try this matcha one. I'm very curious to know about the matcha. Open it. It's supposed to be like a matcha cookie. That is good. It's pretty much like a chocolate chip cookie but with matcha on top. That is delicious. So good. So I tried this one. I tried this one here. And what else? I tried one more. Oh, I tried this one as well. So I just tried 3 out of the 10 that were in the box. I won't try the rest just because I want to keep this video short. But if you're curious to know what each one tastes like, check out the captions below. I will be posting more in the captions. Check out my Instagram. I'll be posting more on there as well. And you can always find more information on the blog. Until next time.